Alright, here we go. So I'm going to plug the USB in. And also, forewarning, I followed the instructions on the email regarding uninstalling the controller editor and such and reinstalling it. So here's my issue. Plug it in, the lights come on, but like I mentioned previously, pad 11 and 12 are on already. And there they go. I didn't press anything. These lights pop up. Shift control. So the group ones work. So I could flip through the pages. And as I flip, the colors for most of the pads remain white. You can see a few of them change. And right now I'm going through MIDI mode. Standalone mode is the same issue. These turn on. Mute does not. I am still in warranty, so I haven't messed around with the hardware itself. So that's my issue.